Today's recipe is strawberry cheesecake cupcakes. For that, we need 100 grams of digestive biscuits that we will place in a Ziploc bag and make sure we smash them up into small little pieces that look something like this. And then we add this powder to a bowl, and to that we will add 40 grams of melted butter. We mix both of these ingredients together so that they're well combined. Take a cupcake tray and line them with cupcake sheets. Add the mixture to them evenly. Now, with a glass with a flat bottom, we're going to press this mixture in, pack it all together. Place this in a cool place till we work on our batter. In a separate bowl, we're going to take 200 grams of cream cheese. We're going to whisk the cream cheese till it's smooth. To the cream cheese, add 70 grams of sugar and whisk both of them together. In a separate cup, we're going to add 2 sachets of gelatin and follow the instruction as per the box. We will add this gelatin mix to our sugar and cream cheese mixture and proceed to whisk it further. In a large bowl, we're going to take 120 milliliters of heavy cream. Here we're using a stand mixer. You can also use a hand mixer or mix it with a manual whisk. We're going to take our first mixture and now fold that into the heavy cream. We whisk this mixture till they're well combined. We add our batter to the cupcake molds. Make sure that we're distributing it among the molds evenly. After adding it in, tap the baking tray gently and refrigerate for 2 hours. In a pot, we're gonna take 120 grams of strawberries and add 50 grams of sugar to the same pot, as well as a teaspoon of lemon juice. We're going to heat it up till the sugar is well combined and then proceed to add the gelatin sachet. We're going to strain the mixture, make sure there are no lumps. We need to now let the mixture cool completely. We can now add the strawberry glaze on top of our cream cheese base. We can now finally place the tray in the fridge for at least an hour more. Serve it with more cream and strawberries. Our delicious dessert is now ready to serve. Wasn't it simple and easy to make? We hope you give our video a like if you liked the video, and subscribe to get more videos like these and many others. Stay tuned for more videos.